Basically, there's two ways. You can go hot and fast or low and slow. Now, the only thing to keep in mind other than that is if you are trying to have a lower temperature fire, don't fill your grill full of lump charcoal. There's all this fuel you'll be trying to regulate for no reason, and it's going to be hard to keep it down low. And likewise, if you are wanting to go super hot, don't put 5 charcoal in your grill because you need more fuel. You will need more fire. So it's, that part's kind of intuitive, and you'll pick up on that as you go along. But as far as low and slow goes, the best method is to light from up top and have your charcoal sort of be pulled in gravity-wise lit as it's needed. If you are wanting to sear and you have a charcoal grill full of charcoal, then try to light from the bottom or as low as possible so that you can ignite all of that fuel and get you a good hot temp. As a decent rule of thumb, just remember, more charcoal, higher heat. Less charcoal, lower heat. Once your charcoal is lit, you can use an ash tool and either evenly spread your charcoal out, or you can bank it to one side if you're doing a dual zone fire. If you are cooking multiple batches of food and you'll be cooking for a long time, to add more charcoal to an existing fire, always remember, wear high heat safety gloves, safety first, and make sure there's no food on the grids. Remove the grids with a grid lifter to access the still lit coals, and safely put in more coal. Also, let that coal burn for 10 minutes or so to get some of the volatiles out of there, or else it will infuse your food, and that tastes